I have this Honda Accord that's cranking, but it's not starting. I checked the fuses, checked the pump, checked everything, got on the groups, asked around. So what would happen is it would crank, but it wouldn't start. But you see over there, it's flashing. So I got on the group. It's been here for the past 2 days. I couldn't move or anything, so that would just stay flashing. I was about to change the fuel pump, but I was like, let me do my research first. I looked at the fuses, the relays, did my research, couldn't find anything. Got in a group, and then I posted a video like this on the Facebook group of these Hondas. It's a 2004 Honda Accord. And then I started and showed them, and somebody asked about this, and they told me that happened to their car, and then they had to reprogram the key because the chip went bad. And then what I remembered is yesterday I took off my key and something fell out of it, and I think it is the chip. So even if you didn't take your key out and it's doing that and they just keep flashing, most of the time it's gonna be the chip. So it would crank as you just heard it, but it wouldn't start. So most of the time, because I tried to look everywhere, I couldn't find anything. So maybe this would help somebody. So yeah, it might be the chip. I'm about to throw the chip back in there, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated if it starts.
Here's the chip. So what happened is I opened it to change the battery, and this fell off. I thought, oh, it's probably just a piece from inside it broke off, but I have like writing in the back and everything. So I'm positive this is the chip, because it only happened after I changed the key, the battery, but I didn't think anything about it. So I'm about to open it and throw it in there, and let's see.
Threw it in real quick. I didn't even close it. I'm too excited. I want to move the car. Like, it got stuck here. I had to move my other car around. But let's see, hopefully. I just threw it in there. I'm not sure if it's the right spot for the chip or not, but let's see. Yo, no way. You guys don't understand how long I've been, the check engine light's on, which is probably from keep on starting it. So thank God it worked. Oh my God, I'm so hyped. I don't have to spend $200 for a new key. So yeah, guys, if I was you, if the key light flashing, I would double check the key, like try your other key. If you have 2 keys, I would try to start it with your other key first. If you only have 1 key, I would get a locksmith to look at it. I gotta look at the check engine light, what it is now. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit a like, subscribe, and thank you.